Listen and read. A. Adjustment. Arrange. Confess. Deliberately. Delicate. Enclose. Intention. Relieve. In quotes. Set something up. B. Adjustment. A slight adjustment. To make an adjustment. A small change to a mechanism is an adjustment. It was a period of adjustment to her new life. Arrange. 1. To arrange a meeting. To arrange a party. Could you arrange for the work to be carried out? 2. To arrange carefully, alphabetically. The books are arranged alphabetically by author. Confess. To confess to something. To confess to doing something. I must confess to you, I don't visit my grandparents as often as I should. Edward confessed to being a spy. Deliberately. To do something deliberately. He was deliberately trying to upset her. They deliberately told me lies. Delicate. A delicate matter. Her delicate features. The young lady was slim and delicate. Enclose. 1. To be enclosed by a wall, by a fence. The pool area is enclosed by a 6-foot wall. 2. To enclose a photo. To enclose a check. I will enclose a very important document. Please find enclosed an agreement for the meeting. Intention. An intention to do something. An intention of doing something. With the intention of doing something. To have every intention of doing something. I would like to declare my intentions. I have no intention of giving up this idea. Relieve. To relieve one's pain, discomfort. To feel relieved. Take a tablet of this medicine to relieve your headache. I was relieved to get your email. Her jokes helped to relieve the tension. In quotes. Words that are in quotes are written with quotation marks. Set something up. To set up one's PC. To set up a volleyball net. To set up equipment. Can someone set the project up?